All right, so I've been talking about trying to build a model kit for you, at least doing a how-to demonstration video or a build along, and just so happens a very video-friendly kit has come in. This is the Figurize Standard. No, there's the logo. Figurize Standard Final Form Frieza. It's a plastic model kit. I'll show you the runners in a little bit, but here's the box. And there's a very iconic Frieza pose. And you look around here, the box is open. I just have the outside, so this is the completed kit. So it's basically like building an action figure, almost. Information on Frieza if you want to read that and pause and stuff. Examples of putting everything together. Other kits from the Figurize Standard line. Information and so on and so forth. You don't need glue for this. There's only a couple tools that you really need, and we'll talk about those right now, actually. So right here, very important tool. These are nippers. Nippers help cut the pieces off of the plastic sprues. And I've got some tweezers here as well, and these generally help with the application of stickers or marking labels, if there are any, on the model kit. So I will take a quick cut, I'll be right back, and I will show you the instruction manual and then the runners. So here we have the instruction manual. This will help me, help you, and help anybody really who's interested in building model kits put it together. And it unfolds like this, and the pictures or graphics of the individual runners, tools that you need, see, tweezers, the nippers to separate parts from the sprues, and then it's step-by-step instructions on how to build the kit, starting from the head and working your way around. Alrighty, here we have the sticker sheet. These are foil stickers that are color correcting stickers for pieces that are either too small or what have you. This kit is built from solid plastic pieces. So if you want to do any painting, you'll have to do it after everything's been assembled. So we have runner A1 right here, and you can see two different types of faces. Parts of the upper torso, some hands. Then we move down to A or B right here, more pieces. We got runner A2. We've got a nice deeper purple color. And runner G, or sorry, C, excuse me, I don't know my alphabet. This is an effect part. And then we have a base or a stand to help the figure stand up. It's in clear. All right, so I'll do a couple cutouts from the runner, and I'll show you how some of this is assembled. Okay. Alrighty, so here we've got some of the instructions, and what we need to start doing is putting some of this model together. So for first things first, I want piece A18, and that's on A1 right here. So I'm going to find it, and it's this piece right here that I'm pointing to. Change camera just a little bit so everybody can see. Alright, so A18, I'm going to take my nippers, cut, and set aside. And now I need part A13, which is this piece right here that my thumb is on. And, oh hey, that'll come off without with the nippers, or needing the nippers. Alright, so anyway, here we go. I'm going to combine these pieces. They're kind of small. And these will be the eyes. And what's really cool about the model kit is that the shapes are generally formed like a puzzle. So essentially this is a 3D puzzle. So I'm going to set this down right here, and I'm going to grab part A1 number 9, which is this one right here. I'm going to carefully cut it out. Well, fortunately, it comes off very easily. And I'm going to put this piece in right here, like that. And then I need A2 36, which is this part right here. And I'm going to place this in, let's see, like this. Maybe. Okay, also these tweezers are good because they will help me line up the piece, or not. Sometimes it'll fall out. Let's see. There we go. And look, we built a face. Rarg, Frieza. So now I'm going to get the rest of this cut out. I need A10, which is this one right here. Let's go grab the nippers, cut off the sprue, and then combine the pieces. And then I need A2 number 38, which is this piece right here. And we're just going to make sure everything's lined up properly. And boom, check that out. Okay, so I'm going to set this off to the side, and then we are going to start the upper body. And let's start with, looks like I need A15, A15, and A14. So, A15, A14 right here. Sometimes, you know, parts will fling off a lot quicker and go places. That's why you want to be very careful. Put these together and then make sure I trim off any extra flash. Well, little extra bits like that might make it a little more difficult for the model to come together. So I've got this piece right here, and I need A1 number 6, which is right here. Get that off the runner, combine it together. Hey, look at those abs. Weird. Okay, set that off to the side. Let's get A1 number 7, which is right. Oh, sorry, A117. This one right here. And I'll lay that right there. So I need A2 34 and two A2 34s. Looks like we've got some inner parts of the frame. These right here. Oh, wrong pieces. I am sometimes very confused. It happens. So these will get plugged in like this, and this helps form our upper torso. It's where the arms will get plugged in. Then A1 number 15. That will go in right here, like so. And I guess this comes up like that. And then A1 number 16. I am running out of time here. A2 37. Maybe. Okay. And 14. Okay. And here's what we have so far. Sorry about the sudden cut, but my camera ran out of space. Anyway, I've got one head looking right here, as well as the upper body, where the arms, and you can see where the neck goes, and you see where this plugs in for the lower body. Anyway, I will cut to assembling the model after all the pieces are ready, and I will show you what it can do. And we're back. So I've got all the pieces together, and we are going to put Frieza back into one piece. Now, if you've watched Dragon Ball Z, it's easier said than done. Anyway, we're going to set this very expressive, maniacal face off to the side for a second. Going to start with the bottom part of the body. So we'll take the waist, we're going to plug the legs in, and you'll hear a click. And we'll make sure this other leg joint is ready, and plug it in, and click. Plug the upper body in, and we will get the right arm, the left arm, and we will pop the head on, and thank goodness that tail is big, otherwise he would be leaning everywhere. Get him situated a little bit, straighten him up, and camera, there you go. Check that out. I hope everybody enjoyed this very, very brief foray into model kit building. It's a lot of fun, and unfortunately, I couldn't show you the full build because I'd have to start and stop and upload footage. Maybe in the future, the very near future, I will get that taken care of and I can do a full stream. Anyway, I want you to have a great day. Talk to you later. Peace.